I'm tryna make it out of this trap house. Them crackers need to let my niggas back out. I'm tryna tell these niggas my story. I started thinking rap shit ain't for me. I'm tryna make it out of this trap house. Them crackers need to let my niggas back out. I'm tryna tell you niggas my story. I started thinking rap shit ain't for me. Finessing since I was a jit, I'm talking June. Got people protect me if these niggas think I'm poom. I spare that shooter, nigga, don't give a fuck about whom. I hop up in the stolo, switch up, nigga, room. And how you give a police ass nigga a pass now? And how you stand up to a bitch, these niggas you back down? Man up from middle school, you used to be a class clown. You not a bitch if you don't fight, you stood your damn ground. We used to learn about it, now we wearing grams now. Fuck it, let's go up top, we bucket Uncle Sam now. Shawty, she know she bad, she starting for the grand now. Shawty, you know it's sad, you begging on the app now. I eat that pussy with my chin up and my back down. I pull up on her with my stick and lay my Mac down. I used to shop at Burlington, I shop at Saks now. My nigga Ian make the juice, lay the track down.